Welcome the our channel. Today we how to use Telegram on Android tablet, quick fix step by step clearly. Start by unlocking your Android tablet. Locate the Google Play Store app on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on the Google Play Store icon to open it. In the search bar at the top, type Telegram. Select the Telegram app from the search results. Tap on the install button to download the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Telegram app. You will be prompted to enter your phone number. Input your phone number and tap Next. A verification code will be sent to your mobile device. Check your phone for the verification code. Enter the code into the Telegram app. After successful verification, you can set up your profile. Add your name and a profile picture if desired. Explore the main interface to find chats and settings. To start a new chat, tap the pencil icon usually found at the bottom. Select a contact from your list or search for someone using the search bar. Once you've selected a contact, type your message in the text box. Tap the send button to deliver your message. To create a group, tap the three lines in the top left corner. Select New Group and choose Contacts to add. Name your group and tap Create to finish. To access settings, tap the three lines in the top left corner again. Here, you can customize your notifications and privacy settings. If you want to send media, tap the attachment icon while in a chat. Choose the type of media you want to send, like photos or videos. Select your files and tap Send to share them. To make voice or video calls, tap the contact's name at the top. Select voice call or video call to initiate communication. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection for smooth usage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.